Imagine finally being able to cut your laundry day in half and get those stubborn grass and grease stains out on the very first try without having to pre-scrub. Welcome back. If you're tired of long cycles and clothes that don't come out quite clean enough, the Kenmore 4.5 cubic feet top-load washer is the absolute workhorse your laundry room has been waiting for. This isn't just a basic washing machine. It is a high-performance cleaning system engineered to tackle the heaviest family loads. The standout feature is the Triple Action Impeller, which uses 3 different wash motions to drive clothes through the water and detergent more aggressively than a traditional agitator. This means it can handle tough dirt and deep stains while still being incredibly gentle on your fabrics. With a generous 4.5 cubic feet capacity, it's large enough to handle king-size comforters and mountain-sized loads of towels with ease. What really makes this washer a game-changer for busy families is the focus on speed. It features Accela Wash and Express Wash technology, which uses high-pressure spray jets to saturate clothes faster, allowing you to finish full loads in significantly less time without sacrificing cleaning performance. The sleek white exterior is accented by a clear LED display that makes selecting your cycles and tracking your progress a breeze. Whether you're trying to squeeze in a quick cycle before work or you're tackling the weekend backlog, this machine is built to keep your life moving. It's quiet, it's highly energy efficient, and it's arguably the most reliable way to get professional-level cleaning results at home in 2026. Click the link below for the best price and transform your laundry day today. If this breakdown helped you find the perfect washer for your home, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the home appliances that actually save you time. See you in the next one.